Yo, this is Hasty. Over the past 2 weeks, I've been hard at work on a few different things in the game. Most interesting would be relationships and actual, dating. Next up, I would say, is locations. They've been ironed out a bit more. People can go on walks on the park, they can sit on benches, stuff like that. And finally, I cleaned up animations a bit, so they should, well, still running into some issues with them, but they are less broken than they were before. Far, far less broken. Alright, so popping into the game real quick. You can say I left it running. I think I did this last night. I think I left it running for like an hour or so, and we got things, so stuff has changed. We got romantic preference options. We got gender, because that's kind of important for relationships. And if we go to the next page, here's the friendship bars. It's now a scroll system instead of a page system. Very happy with how quickly I got that set up, considering I've never done scrolling stuff before, but you can click and drag. That's all just basic Unity stuff. Hate Unity, but here we are. Just showing stuff off. We got an event here. Want to go to the park? Yeah, you should bring someone. So he's going to the park with Reese and the viewer. This means that they're going to be going on a walk together. So there they are, off on their walk. And then Judgmental is here as well, sitting on the bench. Since this is the group of 3, they can only go on a walk because that's too many people to sit on a bench. These benches can only hold 2. When guys are going on events to the park now, their relationship will increase with everyone who's there, just because they're entertaining the same space. That's just kind of how that works. But the people that they're specifically in a group with, they will get a 2 times boost. And then relationships. If I go over here, you can see Caleb's at the top despite not being the highest relationship. His status reads partner, and his label is gold. That's because they're dating. Anyways, to the code. When creating an Ask Out event, we check to make sure that the guy with the event doesn't already have a partner. If not, we run a check to see if the friendship of each guy has met the quota for this guy to view them as dating material. This is based on the prospecting stat. Next, we run a check for each of the guys to see if they like men, randomly based off of their romantic preference stat. Finally, we check to see if the preferences line up and act accordingly. Let's see if I can actually go in and make a new location. Yeah, I've been meaning to make a cafe. What if I did that? So this is how activities work. We've got a walk, and then we've got 5 different paths, because you can have up to 5 people on a walk. Each path has different markers for where the guys need to go, and they'll just loop through those on a repeating action, like a walk. For a non-repeating action, like sitting on a bench, they'll just go through each point until the last one, where they look at it, but do not move. Sorry to interrupt this, very engaging time lapse. I know, it's so cool, obviously, because I'm the one who made it. But, I just wanted to mention that this entire episode has been dubbed over because I was messing with some settings and I didn't realize that my OBS was recording from my webcam mic and not my actual microphone, which is so crazy cool. So, you're gonna get to... God fucking damn it. I'm rolling with it. Fuck it. So you're gonna get the joy of my... you're gonna get to hear my webcam mic, because this last part is very, genuine reaction heavy, so I don't really want to, ruin that. Just ignore the constant haze. It doesn't get better, but it shouldn't happen again. Alright. Have fun. That should be everything. Let's see if it works. Go to the cafe! Go into the cafe alone, and let's see. Yeah! Come on, Judgmental. You're my only hope. Take a group to the park. Yes! To the cafe with Caleb! And they're going to table 2! And Caleb is going around. Yes! Fuck yeah! So that's the part. That's locations, everyone, and the functionality that they now have. Yeah. This has been a fun 2 weeks. I've been working really hard at this, and I'm really happy with how far it's come, honestly. This is so cool to be able to work on this. The number of times I've been uncontrollably cackling because I'm just, so happy with how things are turning out it's just, this project is everything to me. I love it so much. Let's just end on my cat. I gotta love Moose.
So yeah, thanks for checking it out. I really appreciate any and all support. It's, you know, anytime I can share what I'm doing with this, it brings such a smile to my face. It's my favorite. So, thanks. See ya.